In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fully reset TradingView Desktop App. If your charts are behaving strangely, panels are glitchy, or your computer's fans spin up when you open the app, a full reset is a quick, safe way to get things running smoothly again. This process restores the app to its default state and clears cached data that can build up over time, all without deleting your saved cloud layouts. Start by opening the TradingView Desktop app. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the app menu, represented by 3 dots. Click those dots to open the menu. Then choose Settings. Inside Settings, find and select the Service section. Here, you'll see the option labeled Back to Defaults. Go ahead and click Back to Defaults and the app will prompt you to relaunch. Confirm and TradingView will close and reopen. This relaunch is important because it applies the reset fully. When TradingView comes back, it has restored its default settings, cleared cache, and refreshed its internal services. That cache clear is often what resolves high CPU or memory use, persistent loading spinners, or strange interface slowdowns. Keep in mind, the first load after a reset might take a little longer than usual as the app rebuilds what it needs behind the scenes. A key reassurance here: this reset does not delete your saved cloud layouts. Anything you've saved to your TradingView account in the cloud, like layouts, watch lists, or templates stored online, remains available. What changes are local app preferences and configurations, which return to their defaults. You may notice the theme, toolbar positions, or general feel of the interface looks fresh again. That's expected and part of the cleanup. Before you click back to defaults, it's a good idea to make sure you don't have any unsaved changes on your charts. Save your work so that when the app relaunches, you can pick up right where you left off. After the reset, take a quick moment to confirm things feel snappier and that the app is no longer using excessive system resources. If performance issues were caused by corrupted cache or a tangled setting, this usually does the trick. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.